To share my review on this end table. I just finished putting it together. It did take about an hour to do. And so you've got this really nice off-white. And then you can see, you've got this front shelf here. You've got a full bottom shelf at which I have like my laptop sitting on. It is braced very nicely. You have these little L brackets at the bottom. And I'll show you a couple other clips from assembling it. You do have these little sticky pads which are going to help cover some of those brackets that you're going to be using. But the fun feature with this is it pulls forward, and then you have a hidden pocket back here with two different plugs. You've got your regular 3-port plug, and then you've got your regular, cell phone ends. And so we just have our cell phone cord in here. I have my laptop cord coming through the back, and then it just softly closes. And so it's actually a really nice end table. You could put it next to a bed, put it next to your chair. You can hide some of those different elements. Quality is really good. It was really easy to put together, so very pleased with that. And I think it'll just be a nice, fun addition here in our living room. Here's all the pieces before I started putting them together, just so you have an idea. And this was when I was about halfway done of assembling that hidden pocket along with that front drawer. So you do have those brackets, and as you can see all of those little holes in there, that's what those little white sticky pads are going to cover.